Welcome back to Fox and Friends. Baby formula is one of the most highly regulated foods in the world, but now contamination concerns are growing. Joining us is Fox News medical contributor, Dr. Nicole Saphier. Doctor, so great to have you here in studio. Tell us about this contamination.
Well, we're seeing more and more that modern formula manufacturers are trying to emulate or trying to be a little bit more similar to human breast milk. And with that comes complex supply chain issues, trying to get more fatty acids and some other health products that are specific for brain and eye health in the babies. But this creates manufacturing nightmares in the sense that it's hard to source some of these things. I mean, some are coming from China, and then they're going to Europe, and then they're finally coming here into our formula. And you're also seeing quality control issues and more contaminations. Botulinum toxin, bacillus toxin. Children some have died, very few, of course, but still, any infant death is very concerning. Yeah. You know, the reality, Rachel, you and I have talked about this for a very long time. Breast milk remains will always be the biologic gold standard when it comes to infant and maternal health. And the reason that is, the reason formula was developed about a century ago was for those few circumstances where a woman couldn't breastfeed. Maybe the mother died during childbirth. But what has happened is you've had this industry completely expand, and there's been an overutilization of formula. And the reality is, scientifically speaking, formula will never be breast milk. And the reason that is, yes, they can try and mimic the nutrients, but human breast milk is biologically active. It's very dynamic. It changes from day to day. It changes with the infant as the infant develops. If you have a preterm infant, your breast milk composition is different than a full-term infant because the body knows what the baby needs. And if the baby has an infection, the mother has an infection, you actually see infection-fighting cells in the breast milk. So we've always said breast is best, and we need to get back to making sure that people really know that and doing everything possible to support people breastfeeding. And when it comes to some of these formulas, we see the Trump administration, they are trying to tackle formula because you have a lot of seed oils, ultra-processed carbohydrates, calories.
It's the first, ultra-processed food that people are giving, or human beings are getting. And a lot of moms don't actually know that breast is best. And there's a lot of research behind it. We want to talk more about this. You and I can't talk enough about it because it's the most important topic for new moms especially. So we're going to have you back. We're going to talk about some new stuff that's gone viral on just how dynamic and sort of customized breast milk is. Even knowing whether your baby is a boy or a girl, it's incredible. So Nicole Saphier, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me, Rachel.
You got it. More Fox and Friends coming up.